These are your steps to make space pudding. Step 1. Only one person at your table needs to do this step. Place the plastic bag on the scale, then press the 0 button or tare button. By pressing the button, you're resetting the mass to 0. This means that the mass of the bag will no longer be included in any measurements you make. Step 2. Read the box to find the number of grams of pudding powder in a single serving. I've already read it for you. Instead of 25 grams, like this package says, your single serving is actually 24 grams. This represents the total mass of pudding powder that you will add to your bag. Step 3. Use a spoon to scoop a small amount of pudding powder into the bag. Step 4, mass the powder. The pudding in the bag has a mass of 14 grams in this example. You will need to add more pudding powder than that. You want to add at least 24 grams. So keep adding a little at a time until you get to 24 grams. Take turns at your table using the scale. Step 5, continue measuring the mass of the bag and the powder. Stop adding powder once you have reached the total mass of a single serving, which is 24 grams. Step 6, use a spoon to scoop the same mass of non-fat powdered milk, which should be 24 grams, into the bag as you use for the pudding powder. Step 7, stop when you reach the target mass of 24 grams. Remember, the target mass is the total of the pudding powder mass and powdered milk mass combined. Seal the bag and use your hands to mix the powders for step 8. Step 9, add a couple of spoonfuls of water to your bag. In space, you would use a tube to inject water into the bag. Step 10, seal and use your hands to mix everything together. Step 11, continue adding small amounts of water and mixing the pudding in the bag until you reach the desired consistency. You don't want it too watery, then it will be milky pudding. Ugh. Step 12, you have made your astronaut pudding and you can now enjoy. Be sure to help clean up. Thank you.